In this phase of the project, we will add the .312 diameter holes that are in the feet of the project. You are best able to see the .312 diameter holes in the top view. In our model, we will go to the 3D Model tab and select the Start 2D Sketch. We will select the top surface of one of the feet. In order to create the holes, we will use points. So in the Create section of the Sketch ribbon, we will select Point. And we will place points on each of the feet. In the Project Geometry, we will select Project Geometry. In the Model History, under the Origin folder, select the X-axis. Next, we will need to add some constraints to the points. The center of the .312 diameter hole is aligned vertically with the center of the 1.125 radius arc. In our constrained section of the ribbon, you will need to select the vertical constraint. You will select the point, and then you will select the center of the foot. This will vertically align the point with the center of the arc that creates the foot. We will need to add that same constraint to the points and the center of the arc. The next constraint we will add will be a horizontal constraint between the 2 points. So in our constrained section, we will go to the horizontal constraint. We will select the point. Now these 2 points are horizontally constrained. We will need to add the same constraint to these points here. We will need to place a 4-inch dimension between these 2 centers. So in the constrained section of the ribbon, we will need to select dimension. We will select the point here and the point here, place the dimension, type in 4, and press enter. We will need to add a symmetric constraint between these 2 vertical points. So in the constrained section of the ribbon, we will select the symmetric constraint. we will click on this point and this point, and then click on the x-axis. At the bottom right corner, you should see that the sketch is fully constrained. Once you see that the sketch is fully constrained, you will select Finish Sketch. Next, we will place the .312 diameter holes on the centers that we just created. So in the 3D Model tab, in the Modify section, you will select the Place feature called Hole. The position, it should automatically select those 4 center points that we established. The type will be a simple hole. The termination should be through all. You know the hole passes through the foot because of the hidden lines that are shown in the front view and in the right side view. So for the termination, for the diameter, we will type in .312 and click on OK.